Hello guys, today I will be doing this purple glittery eye makeup look. If you like this look, please keep on watching. And for priming my face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution baking oil, and I have a review about this oil on my Instagram page, Makeup Diaries by Maria. And for the foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild photo focus foundation in golden beige, and I'm applying it with the beauty blender. Here I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Concealer, and my color is medium light, and I am using this smaller um, size of the concealer, and I'm blending it with a small beauty blender. And this concealer is so good. It's really good, and I love this concealer. Like if I go for a high-end brands, Urban Decay Naked Concealer is my favorite one. Now I'm setting the concealer with the LA Girl Pro powder in banana. Now I'm contouring my face using NYX Wonder Stick in deep, and blending it with the Real Techniques brush. And I'm using a small contour brush from ELF for my nose contouring. To setting the cream contour, I'm using this Anastasia contour kit, and applying it where I applied the NYX Wonder Stick. And I'm also contouring my jawline and my forehead area. For the blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, and I'm applying it to the apple of my cheeks. And for the highlight, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using a NYX eyeshadow base as my eye primer, and I'm applying it with the concealer brush from ELF and setting it with LA Girl Pro powder. And for this look, I'm using this Morphe 35B palette and taking this color as my transition color. Now taking this orange color and applying it where I applied the lighter color. Now I'm taking this shocking pink color and applying it to my crease area. Now I'm taking this yellow color and I'm blending the pink and the orange color with the help of the yellow. Now I'm taking this purple color and applying it all over my lids, and I'm not cutting my crease through the concealer. I'm just applying it like that, and I am adding the color little by little until I get my desired look. Now I'm taking this small blending brush and blending the harsh lines. Here I'm using this NYX glitter kit, and I'm taking this purple glitter, and for the glue I'm using the NYX glitter glue, and it's included in the kit, and I am applying it all over my lids with my finger. and on top of the glue I'm applying the glitter. And this is how it looks with the glitter. Now I'm using this NYX eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it. I'm taking this purple color again and applying it to my lower lash line. And I am blending it with this coral color. For the lashes, I'm using this Huda Beauty number 16 lashes, and I am applying this nude liner to my waterline. And I'm using this Essence Lash Princess mascara. And I'm applying this baking oil from Makeup Revolution to my lips for hydration. Here I have tried 3 different lip colors because I couldn't decide what to wear. So the first option is Wet n Wild Balm Stain in Caffeine Fix, and if you like bold eyes with nude lips, this lipstick is for you. The second option is Smashbox Driver's Seat. And the third option is Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. So let me know in the comment section down below which color you like the most with this eye look. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.